Hello student, this is your debrief session of class 10th. Our today topic is the reflection of light. So in this topic we understand about how to ray of light travel one medium to another medium. So in this figure we have a two different medium. One is the rare medium, another is denser medium. So rare medium is air and denser medium is glass. So that is a rectangular glass slab. So we mark a point, a imaginary line, which is the incident ray. When a ray travel rare medium to denser medium, and n is represent the normal ray, which is the perpendicular to plane. When incident ray travel one medium to another medium, means rare to denser medium. So it bend toward the normal. And when a ray of light moving further denser medium to rare medium, so it bend away from normal. So we understand from this figure, we know that refraction of light is the phenomena of bending of light when a ray of light travel one medium to another medium. So when a light move rare medium to denser medium, it bend toward the normal, and when a ray of light travel denser medium to rare medium, it away from normal. And there are many questions built in our mind. Why the ray of light bend when medium change? So there is a single reason. Every medium has their own density. So bending of light is a single reason. When a ray of light moving in air and moving in a glass or moving in a water, for example any kind of material, so speed of light are different in each medium, each material. For example, light travel in air or vacuum with speed 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. But in case of glass or in case of water or another medium, speed of light will be changed. So due to difference of light speed, the ray of light bend toward the normal or away from the normal. So that is the reason why light bending when medium will be changed. So student, this topic is define refraction of light. So any query related to this topic, you have to text me or message me anytime, WhatsApp or lead app. Thank you.